Have you ever pondered what the future holds for the intersection of technology and nature? In this age of rapid technological advancement, it's remarkable to observe how often our innovations are inspired by the natural world. The genius of nature, evolving over millions of years, presents a rich source of ideas waiting to be tapped. Take, for instance, the fascinating concept of bionic insects, a prime example of this intersection. These are not mere figments of science fiction, but tangible devices that exist today. Engineers, drawing inspiration from the intricate designs of nature, have begun replicating the complex mechanisms of insects, creating these incredible bionic counterparts. These bionic insects function much like their natural counterparts, buzzing around with a similar agility and precision. Their potential uses span a wide array, from surveillance to environmental monitoring and even pollination, proving that our technology does not always have to be at odds with nature. In this ever-evolving world of technology, nature continues to play a pivotal role. Natural insects, with their complex structures and capabilities, have always fascinated scientists. These tiny creatures, despite their size, are marvels of nature's engineering. Let's take a moment to appreciate their intricacies. Natural insects possess lightweight structures that allow them to perform feats of aerial acrobatics that leave us in awe. Their exoskeletons, made from chitin, are both light and strong, enabling them to carry loads many times their own weight. This is a feat that even our most advanced drones can't replicate. Consider their flight capabilities. Insects like the dragonfly can hover, fly backwards, and even change directions in an instant. Their wings, beating at an extraordinary rate, provide not just lift but also precision control that is an envy of aviation engineers. And then, there's their sensory systems. Insects have a wide array of sensors, from compound eyes that give them a panoramic view of their surroundings to antennae that can detect the faintest of scents. These natural sensors provide them with an unparalleled awareness of their environment. Now let's transition to bionic